Hello, my name is Shafaz Said and you are watching Tech Team. In this video, we will continue with Java basic programs. In the last video, we created one basic program, so we will create something similar. So we go to Netbeans. So the modules are loading, so initially it takes time. Okay, we are ready. So similarly, as if you remember, we created the hello world project, so in which we simply created the hello world output. So in this video we will create a new project. So it's a Java application, and we say something like, what we will do in this program, we will actually use some sort of addition of two numbers. So I think, yeah, addition of two numbers. Okay, click on finish. No, it's okay. So yeah, okay, you can delete the initial comments from here. So again, we see the package name, so we will just focus on the main method, and we will, in this tutorial, we will actually use two numbers and try to add them. If you remember, in algebra you have some values like x, something like x equal to 5, and then y equal to 10, and z equals x plus y. So if you see, it's the compiler is giving some sort of errors because it's not understanding what it is written. So we have to write some sort of what kind of variable it is. So we will say something var variable, short form is var x is equal to 5, var y is equal to 10, and var z is equal to x plus 5. Okay, so clearly, if you understand something, x is 5, y is 10. So if you try to outprint system.out.println, so if you print out z, so it should print z is equal to x plus 5. So it would print something. So okay, we do something like this. We print out each variable so that you understand what's going on. X, y, okay, something is okay, yeah, it's I've written it wrong, print ln. Okay, so so just you can guess what would be printed over here. X, so x is equal to 5, so 5 should be printed, and y is equal to 10 should be printed, and z is, because we have used the plus, so x is 5, y is 10, so it should be 15 should be printed. So we run this program to see the output. First we have to save this. Just run this program. Oh yes, you can see for x it has printed 5, for y it has printed 10, and for z it has printed 15. So similarly you can say something like, you can use some we have used addition, you can use some subtraction of two numbers, x minus 5. So we can say x is 50, y is 10. So clearly you can see that it would, for x it would print 50, for y it would print 10, and for z it would print 50 minus 10, 40. So if you run this program, save it first, click on save, then run. See, 50, 10, 40. Similarly you can exercise yourself with multiplication, and you have to add the multiplication sign over here, and try with different numbers. Actually you should try and practice with different numbers, and then you can try with the division. So see the output, what would be the output. So this is sort of a simple addition, just because these tutorials are meant to be for the people who have just starting to learn Java. So that's why I'm just doing the very simple, so that everyone can understand the basic syntax of the Java programs. Okay, so this is the first example. Now in the second example, these, because we just use some sort of integer variables, like as addition of two integers, and we will, in the next project we will create a new project, and we will try to do something different other than the integers. Strings. Okay, so addition of strings. So in the previous project we use something addition of numbers, but in Java we say numbers as integers, or and we say variable x is equal to 50. These are sort of numbers, or you can say integers. So but we have some sort of strings in Java which we represent something like var a is equal to hello, or b equal to, would say, give a space here, it's okay, world okay, this is it. So if you say var c is equal to a plus b, so similarly we will print each variable like in the previous example, so that you can understand what's going on. A So oh yeah, I missed it again. Print ln. Okay, so just think what would be printed out. So over here, hello, hello would be printed out, and in the second line world will be printed out, and the third line, because it's adding, so in, because this is not a number, this is a string, because it's inside double quotes, so it will be concatenated in so the in the strings, if we use the plus sign between the two strings, like over here a plus b, because it contains strings, so they will be concatenated automatically. The compiler knows that this is a string, this is not a number, because this is it's inside the double quotes, so it will take it as a string and it will concatenate them. So it would print something like hello space world. So if you save this and run it, see, for A hello is printed, for B world is printed, and for C hello space world. So because the space is here, because we use the space over here, so that's why it separated the string. But if we remove the space from here, it would simply print hello world together. Okay, that's fine. So you can use as many string variables with this. Now yeah, you can give the space, so it would be hellos. We should give a space over here and try to give a space over here, so it would be hello space. So in the first hello, and we can say a plus b plus c. Oh no, d, sorry. And we have to, yeah, okay. So if you save this and run it, it would print as hello world. Great. So you can use as many variables and try to concatenate them and see the different output for practice. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, and so that you are stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.